Shown here is a prototype of the transmitting component of the project. On the left, you can see 3 pressure sensors which will fit comfortably in the roof of the patient's mouth. When the patient presses his or her tongue to the roof of their mouth in an attempt to swallow, these sensors will relay appropriate voltages to the microcontroller. The microcontroller, shown on the right, will then send these signals via Bluetooth to the receiver. As the prototype as it currently exists is far too large to fit in the roof of the mouth, downsizing is of utmost concern. We have chosen to use an 8-bit microcontroller from Freescale Semiconductors, shown on the left, as well as the Panasonic 1326 Bluetooth module, shown on the right. Once these signals have been interpreted by the receiver will signal the stimulator to provide appropriate stimulation to the patient's throat. Precise, controllable currents will be driven by Texas Instruments XTR111 chip, shown on the right.
And now it's time for the software overview. The first thing you will need to do is connect the transmitter to your computer via its Bluetooth settings. Then you can open up the application user interface. Once it pops up and you are ready to read data from the transmitter, you'll click Begin Calibration. So now the application is reading and storing the data being sent from the transmitter. Once you are done with your sample run, you will press the Stop Calibration button. Calculations will be performed on the data to show that it can be worked with, and the data will be plotted in a graph. If you want to perform another run, you can press the Begin Calibration button again, and the steps will be repeated. Finally, once you're ready to send the data over to the receiver, you will press the Send Receiver button.